Ashwini Dilip Hiware. Today's topic is non-access modifier in Java. Non-access modifier. This is type of modifier are used to control the verify of things, such as inheritance, capability, whether all object of over class share the same number, value of have their own value of those members, whether methods can be override success, etc. There is overview. This modifier can be bond the following table. Modifier name static. Static. The members belong to the class, not object object of the class. Final. Final variable values can't be changed once design assign methods can't be over overridden, class can't be inherited. Abstract. It's applied to the methods. This has to uh, implement an subclass. It's applied to the class contain abstract method. Synchronize. Continuous thread access to synchronize volatile. The volatile value always read for the in any memory, not from a specific memory. Transition. The members is stopped when serialize the object. Static modifier. Variable. Declare the static modifier. The static modifiers make access a member independent any object the class that's class. There is a few features and keep mind here. Variable, variable and methods. Variable over declare the static and shared among the object of a class. Since a variable essentially uh, next one is a the final modifier. The keyword is a final can have one of the three meanings. The defines names constant variable whose value can't change after initialize. To private method from the overriding present the class from beginning initialize. Name of constant. Adding to final modifier variable declare make that the abstract modifier. The abstract modifier used to define methods that will be implemented subclass later. Most often the use to suggest that some functionality should be implemented. Subclass of the some regions can't implement subclass in class contain the abstract methods. Must be also declare the abstracts. Uh, must be declared the abstract. Next one is a synchronize modifier. Synchronize modifier. When two or more thread need to use the same resource methods